so you're fine. So today we started how to make a business Facebook business page. So we start to make a page and then we optimize our page and how to make its logo and cover and so on, and then we started to become a meta ads course. And so let's start it. And if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like it, and press the bell icon button. Okay, so start it. First of all, log in your account in Facebook. When you log your account in Facebook, then you can simply search there, and three nine buttons you see in there. So you can click there, and then you come to pages options. Pages, click to the pages, and then you simply create a page. If your account in a page, to see, first of all you come to your profile. When you come to your profile, then you see there is simply a create page, and create your page and simply search your name. If you have name of any your brand name, or if you have name in your own business name, so or company name, so you can simply write that. If available in Facebook, then accept. If not, so you think so. If you think about that, so firstly you can go to the Google and search Shopify. Shopify free business name generator. Okay, Shopify free business name Shopify free business name generator, and simply you come there and click it. After clicking it, and there is we can search our business. If we think our business about the electronics, so we simply search about electronics, or simply what's your business name, and you can search there. Or that so we finding our electronics name, and simply then we simply see their name electronics. So we electronics limited, that's we choose our name. So we simply there write it electronics. We simply write electronics. We simply write the electronics limited, and that's our answer. So we select the category. That is our category, like our category. That is our category, like electronics, our category. Then we simply write there and another category of our business. So electronic shops, so we another category. So we there write only three categories, and there is bio, and we write again when we optimize our page, then we write the bio. Okay, so simply it create our page. Our page is created. Yeah, our page is simply they want a number, so we write a simply number there. Here it is, that's. And this wants to me email, give email. So we write simply their email, and this is our email. Location, address, if you have any location, town, and you give your location, your zip hour. And then we next there hours we select after the making page to optimize our brand, and there want a profile pictures. And so if you have your company logo or profile, so simply you can go and select them. Our profile like I have a that profile pictures. Simply we give you an example. So we select it, and I have another example of profile picture is that. So we simply write it cover page. If you don't have, so you can make it, and if you don't make it, so simply email or contact me. I I I give you my LinkedIn account, and then text me. I will make for you. Okay, and then action button. After that, we can add the action button. And first of all, we do that. That's like a very good. Okay, and there want a WhatsApp button if you have any customer and which come to the WhatsApp. So give in page WhatsApp button. We give it after. So you have any friend to invite, you can invite it, and you when you want to show notification your profile. So we simply done, and that's make it our page. So we simply make it our page, and that is making our page and started. So page is ready. Yeah, that's our page is made. We want any tour, and after making page, so we give our informations, basic information, service area like United States. So we simply write it United States. Okay, that's we give our location and service area like Florida, Florida. That is US, Florida. We save it. Simply we save it. When we save that, after there is some information. We if we have websites, we write there, and if any social links, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, something, Wi-Fi. If you have Wi-Fi, you set their Wi-Fi, and if you have price range, what product of your price. So we simply set that moderate, because moderate that mostly people want that spice. And language, you have any language, like we write English, so we simply write it safe, and then we do it, and after that we set our bio. Bio is there, we write all good quality electronics, electronics available here. Simply write that and give some commas, and then save it. That is our bio, and we set our page. So today our class is that. So if you like my video, then my channel subscribe and like it, and so we can do next step to optimize our page, and then we can go to the meta ads. So thanks for watching.